I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you previous test paper of a student of mine, IB Calculus. We'll discuss curve sketching. So here are a few questions from the quiz and let's get ready for it. The very first question here is part A. Write decreasing and increasing intervals for the function f of x equals to minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 5. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, to find increasing and decreasing intervals, we should find the derivative, right? So we'll find the derivative of this function using the power rule. Minus 3x squared gives us minus 6x. Minus 12x, derivative is minus 12. For this constant, it is 0. Now we can factor minus 6. So we get x plus 2, right? So x plus 2. So that is the derivative of this function. Now you have to answer the interval of increasing and decreasing. So if you look into the derivative, it is minus 6. You could actually also sketch from here. Anyway, you can find zeros. 0 for this function is at x equals to minus 2. The graph is coming downwards, right? It's kind of decreasing, right? Minus 6. Or you can test the derivative around minus 2. So there are two ways of doing it. Let me show you both of them. So first, let us sketch the derivative. Let me do it here. So we'll sketch the derivative here. Okay. So we have 0 at x equals to, let's say this is 0. At x equals to minus 2, we have a 0, correct? Now, you check the intervals on the left and right side. If I take a value 0 here, which is on the right side, then I get minus 6 times 2. So I get a negative value, correct? So I get negative values on this side. If I take a value which is, let us say, negative 3, which is on the left side of our test point, which is a 0, then we'll get the positive values, correct? So therefore, we can write the interval of increasing interval as from minus infinity to minus 2, right? So it is from minus infinity to minus 2. And decreasing interval is when the derivative is negative. Decreasing interval is from minus 2 to plus infinity, correct? So that is how you can write the intervals. Otherwise, you can also do is, you can sketch this line. It has a 0 at minus 2, and if I write x equals to 0, then you get minus 12. So it's kind of a line which is going like this. So from here, you can see this part of the line on this side is positive, and here it is negative, correct? So this part gives you where derivative is positive, increasing interval, right? So this is increasing interval. And that part here is negative, which is decreasing interval. So it is important to understand these concepts as we discuss the questions, and I hope that really helps. I'm Anil Kumar. Let's go through this test paper and see the next question now. Thank you and all the best.